Yo guys, I got my balisong knife. I know, oh, it's not brand new. I just put rubber bands and this one just took off, but I super glued it. Yeah, this one this one is old. This one is old. This one supposed to be new. Or this one should not be in. Those rubber bands are not here, and no super glue in here. So, the balisong, I took off the what is that thing again? The lock. Yeah, the lock for the balisong. It closes like this. I got some new tricks or stuff like opening. Wait, I messed it up. Wait. Opening and closing. So, oh my other butterfly knife, the carrot at one, is now broken. So the handle, the safety handle was snapped in half. It snapped. Well, I didn't even cry. I just told my dad to glue the handle. So I began playing it again. Now, it's broken now. The glue was still attached. You cannot attach it back. So I let Dad buy me another one, but metal one. This one is not old. This one is brand new. But my plastic, my butterfly knife is plastic, but it's easily gonna break. But my metal one is gonna break apart.